Hey guys, it's Steven with the Bytes chart update. I created this week's weekly pivot chart using the high of 108 and the low of 86 and the close of 91. As you can see, we've got a central pivot of 95. We have support at 82 and the resistance is at 104. Just to show you the calculator here, we do have some higher resistances. I will fill those in if we start to get some action towards there. So overall, we're starting to see Becker become more active on Twitter. He's talking about the meta tournament coming up this weekend. He's also talking about he's going to be releasing the public qualifying information on his Twitter sometime soon. So I do think we're going to start to see some FOMO. And as of right now, I am positioning myself so that I have the minimum amount of bytes that I want. So as of right now, I've got about 250 bytes. I just recently closed this higher position here. I had a liquidity pool that I've had for a pretty good a couple weeks here. Overall, I added to it around this area. And I am starting to feel very bullish. I don't think we're going to see too much sell action. So as of right now, I have a pretty solid foundation, and I have the opportunity to maybe accumulate another 100 bytes on this dip here. Over the past 2 days, I've been very lucky with the volume. Just happened to be most of it right in my range here. So I'm going to leave this overnight. The way I look at it is this is now my final buy order for my bytes. As we move lower, as I'm going to be going to sleep here soon, if I wake up and the price is below my liquidity pool, I'll be able to close my position, and then I'll have a completely long bytes position with no liquidity. And I'm just getting prepared for I would say the inevitable move higher when with all of the action that's going to be coming up over the next couple of weeks. So I do not want to be left out without enough bytes. So I guess I might be risking a little bit by just waiting here, but I'll just go ahead and show you my position. It's been performing very well. So this is just over 2 days here, about 50 hours, and it's about 20% gain just in that short period of time. So this is the most aggressive range you can use. This is only one bar. Just to break that down and show you if you haven't seen this before. You can see where the liquidity is in the Uniswap version 3 pools, and it's broken down by price. So if you zoom in here, they have different levels. So if you look where it says bytes price 0.0279, 0.0273. So these are the different blocks of levels that you can choose to put your liquidity in. So as of right now, this is just above my liquidity pool. My actual range is from the 0.0279 to the high of 0.0284. So like I said, I just have this position ready to buy if it does come in here, and maybe I can make a few more fees. Like I said, I do have my minimum position I want, but if I can accumulate a full position here. So basically, I'm just positioning myself so that I'm happy either way. If the price of bytes goes up, that's okay. I've got a nice position in bytes, and I have some extra Ethereum. And if we do come below here, I'm happy because I have a very nice buy position that I don't really have to worry about. So let's just move on to the got the holders here. We've got 8,133 holders. The token supply is up to 783,000. We've got a new about 5,000 new tokens claimed today, and the market cap is right at 71 million. Just fine. And just to update on this position, I just closed today. I closed that because I do not want to give my bytes back. You know, if we have some sort of bullish action and we start to get some movement, all my bytes would turn into Ethereum here, and I wouldn't get that upside. So I'm just not going to risk it, and that's the reason why I just closed this position here. and I closed that with a $1,600 profit. And yeah, that's it. So I'm definitely very happy with that. So let's just go ahead and check the floors. Everything's about the same. This was 52 the other day. This has been at 75. And wow, so we have the outer identities. We have a few more getting listed. The low was 9.1 the other day. So I guess people are just looking to sell into the event. We'll see if that's a good play or not. I mean, I guess I don't blame them because everything's just so unknown right now. We don't know what the dynamics will be and what type of opportunity we have. So overall, Ethereum and Bitcoin are starting to look pretty weak right now, and we're starting to see the reversal. So as I've been saying for a while now, I still have this monthly support at 38,000 that I'm looking for. And as we start to see weakness in the Ethereum chart today, you will see obviously the price of Bytes are holding somewhat steady, but my theory is still that the price of Bytes will have a steady floor, and if we do see the price of Ethereum come down, we're going to start to see the ratio for Bytes to go up. So I think holding Bytes will definitely be a better play, especially over the next couple of weeks with all the events happening. So I would just watch for that. All right, guys, that's really it. If you have any questions, let me know, and I will catch you next time.